and I wanted to see if I could single prompt a Wear OS app and actually have it successfully deploy to the Google Play Store.
Surprisingly enough, the WristSense did actually make it through to production.
Hey guys, with the release of Claude Fable 5, I wanted to make my own type of testing video. I will be doing this in a slightly different way than what you typically see on YouTube. I've seen videos where people test against Opus or ChatGPT and things like that, but I wanted to test Fable 5 against itself in a way. So what I'm going to do is use ChatGPT to do some basic research, develop the initial plan for what the app is, also have ChatGPT give me the prompt and then feed that into Fable 5, let it run, see what it outputs, and then dump it directly into the Play Store. So of course there are other pieces that need to be handled in order for the Play Store to accept it, things like the screenshots, the description, the price, all these different things. Of course that part I will handle manually. However, the actual code itself will purely be handled by Fable 5. I'm going to one-shot prompt each of them and submit that directly to the Google Play Store if it actually gets that far. So without further ado, I'm going to jump in. Alright, so here we go guys. I have my repository created. As you can see, it's empty. All it has is a README. I have Claude Code pulled up on the side with Fable 5 selected, and then I also have a mostly empty 5-hour window. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my prompt here that came from ChatGPT. As you can see, this is going to build WristSense. We'll punch that in here, fire it off, and I will come back to you guys once that is complete.
Okay guys, so here we go. I ended up with 4 total apps that I attempted to build and push directly to the Play Store using only a single prompt using Fable 5 while it was still available. So you can see those on my screen here. You have WebhookDeck, you also have WristDash, WristNote, and WristSense. I don't recommend downloading it now because again, this is just an app with a single prompt to generate all the code. But this is pretty crazy because aside from just handling all the Play Store listing items and the screenshots and the miscellaneous management tasks, all the code itself was fine just from that single prompt using Fable 5. So for the other ones, they did all build successfully. So WebhookDeck, WristDash, WristNote, and WristSense, they all built, they all run fine in the actual emulator. But with this one, the WristDash, I encountered some code level blockers that I couldn't handle essentially on this side of things with the Google Play console. So that one is still pending in draft, but I do actually plan to continue building out all 4 of these apps and eventually release them. I'll probably make a follow-up video to see how close those actually were, but these are actual full-fledged companion and watch apps as well. So they are a little bit more complex than the one that did actually succeed, the WristSense here. But yeah, hopefully this is insightful for you guys to actually see how powerful Fable 5 really is. And yeah, this was a cool experiment for me to do as well.